M-code commands. Meanings, commands, and simulators. This video takes an in-depth look at the M-code plain text language. You will learn more about topics such as the types of commands programmed into a CNC machine, Fanuc M-code list, Lathe, Fanuc M-code list, mill. What is CNC machining? The CNC machining process. The types of commands programmed into a CNC machine. Fanuc M-code list, Lathe. Fanuc M-code list, mill. What is CNC machining? Frequently asked questions. What is CNC machining and how does it work? What is the role of CAD and CEM in CNC machining? Why are M-code simulators important in CNC programming? How does program proofing prevent CNC machining errors? Which industries benefit most from advanced M-code simulators? Can CNC machining support both small-scale and large-scale production? What are the top M-code simulators? Predator Virtual CNC by Predator Software. Vericut by CG Tech. Simco DNC, Max by Simco. Mastercam Simulator by CNC Software Incorporated. Fusion 360 by Autodesk. What is the CNC machining process? The CNC machining process. Computer programming. Computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. CNC machine setup. Work holding. Loading the G codes. Program proofing. Machining the part. Execution. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to learn more about M-code commands and related CNC solutions.